How to add a scroll bar on Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add scroll bar in Figma. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. First step is to create a frame. To create a frame, you can just press F on your keyboard, or you can also use this frame from the toolbar. This will act as your visible area. After that, add contents larger than the frame. Now add your contents larger than the frame size, either vertically or horizontally. This extra content is what you will scroll through. Next step is to select the frame, then go to the right side panel. Under overflow behavior, choose vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling, or both depending on your layout. After that, click the preset button at the top right to preview your design. You can now scroll through your content just like a real app. So this is how you can add a scroll bar in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.